Welcome to Kanjima Show. N5 students, if you find the Renshu part difficult, just skip them. But first and second videos are mostly N5 kanjis. Mouth, kuchi. Same kanji is also used for door. Onyomi for this is ko or ku. Remember, long ko or ku. Renshu Shimasho, mouth kanji with deep red kanji forms the word kuchibeni. Kuchibeni means lipstick. Woman, onna. This kanji looks like a kimono clad woman going. Onyomi, jo. Remember, short syllable, jo. Renshu, woman kanji with child kanji forms the word onnanoko. Onnanoko means girl. From woman kanji comes another common word, yasui, which means cheap, peaceful, or safe. Remember, these kanjis were started in ancient times and hence they represent the common ideas of those times. A woman at her home is safe. The radical on top represents, again, according to myself, the house or roof. So, peaceful or safe, yasui. Its onyomi is un. From yama comes another kanji, deru or dasu. Exactly as one yama is coming out of another, this kanji means come out or take out. Kunyomi is deru or dasu and onyomi is shutsu. Renshu Shimasho, Yasui kanji with another Yasui kanji becomes un-e. Un-e means easy, simple. Deru kanji with Haru kanji becomes Shucho. Shucho means official tour or business trip. Chikara, power. This kanji looks like a powerful man's muscular body. Kunyomi, Chikara. Onyomi, Ryoku. Rice field kanji looks exactly like a rice field. Kunyomi ta and onyomi then. The combination of rice field kanji and power kanji is man, otoko. The power working in rice field is of man. Remember, kanjis originated in the ancient times and in those days maybe only men worked in the fields. Otoko. Onyomi is dan or nan. Ashi, foot or leg. This kanji looks like it is derived from a cartoon of a boy wearing big shoes. Kunyomi, Ashi, Tariru, or Tasu. Ashi is leg or foot, Tariru is suffix, Tasu is add. Onyomi is Soku. Tsugi kanji. Tsugi means next. With Otoko kanji becomes Jinan. Jinan means second son. And distant kanji with foot kanji becomes ensoku. Ensoku means excursion, trip. Takumi kanji. This kanji is actually not in N5 or even N4, but I am mentioning it here because it forms the base of some basic kanjis. This looks like a hammer of an artisan who carves. It means artisan or his art or work or skill. But in other kanjis, it is, in my opinion, empty or useless. Sora. This is one kanji where it is used. The upper radical, as I had mentioned earlier, means roof. Below it comes the radical which means open, and under it comes the Takumi kanji, which, as I said, represents empty too. So, combination of these radicals is The emptiness you see when you open the roof, that is sky. Its onyomi is ku, large ku. Hidari. This is one more kanji in which the Takumi kanji is used. The first radical means the side. Again, it is my assumption, which suits many kanjis as you will see soon. And beside it comes the useless kanji. Again, I want to tell you this Takumi kanji does not mean useless, but when it comes as a radical in other kanjis, it can be inferred that it means useless. So the combination means the side which is used less, that is left side. Its onyomi is sa. Migi. Using the same first radical, that is the radical which means side, according to me, comes another kanji in which the second radical is the door kanji, the door of opportunities. This combination means the side which opens the door of opportunities, that is the right side. Onyomi is you. Again, let's see the side radical in another kanji, tomo. In this, the second radical is the word mata, which means again. So it means the same or again. So the combination means the same side. One who is on one's own side is a friend. So this kanji means a friend. Kunyomi is tomo and onyomi is you, big you. This kanji is very commonly used in the word tomodachi, friend. Hidari kanji with migi kanji forms the word sayu. Sayu means left and right, also control. Let's revise all the kanjis we already learned. Small kanji sho with onna kanji jo gives the word shoujo, small girl. Yasui, which means cheap here. Remember, it also means safe. Here it means cheap. That with uru kanji, which means sell, gives the word yasu uri. It means bargain sale. An example of deru, carry kanji, tei, with deru. Deru means take out. Deru kanji shutsu gives the word teishutsu, which means submit or present. Body kanji, tai, with power kanji. Remember chikara. Its onyomi is ryoku. They form the word tairyoku. Tairyoku means physical strength. Ta, which means rice field, with field, hatake, forms the word tahata, which means fields of any kind. Otoko means man. Otoko with yama. Yama is mountain. They form the word otokoyama. Otokoyama means the more rugged of the two mountains. Food kanji soku, as I told earlier, also means add when it is pronounced as tasu. Takumi kanji ko with thing kanji ji gives the word koji. Koji means construction work. Sora. Sora is sky. Sora onyomi is ku. Sora with the port kanji, they make the word kuko, which means airport. Migite and hidarite. They are left hand and right hand. Friend kanji tomo forms the word friend with tachi. When they join, they become tomodachi.